Good morning, Facebook fans. This is what we wake up to. A nice, very, very, very frozen pool. And the electricity went out, so my system pump is not on. We were luckily drained it. Drained the pump. Hopefully it's not going to bring about any broken pipes and stuff when it's all thaws. But yeah, this is the unheard of situation that never, hardly ever happens in Mansfield, Texas. But it's happening now. Cold, 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 cold. Very cold temperatures, like in the negatives. Electricity out and outages. Fun times. Fun times. Prayers go out to those who are in this weather conditions here in Mansfield or in the Texas area, and for those that are out without electricity. And I just hope that they are safe and warm. And yeah, we'll probably be thawing in a few days. So those who have orders, maybe just slightly delayed because I can't get to the post office and the post office have not been running. Surprisingly, I did get something from FedEx yesterday, which I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. But hey, that's crazy. He was able to drive in this stuff. Later.